Hello, welcome, question 12. This is on factorization. We have to factorize 8k squared minus 17k plus what? 9. 8k squared, 17k plus 9. The first thing to do is to multiply the constant and the coefficient of what? The k squared. And that will be giving you 72. Now, this being positive and this being negative means that the two factors we are looking for must all be negative. So that when you add those two factors, it gives you a negative what? 17. And I can go in for a factor of what? Negative 8 and negative 9. These two, when added, will give us a negative 17. If you have been following my tutorial, you know that for something like this, we can go for a shortcut because we are on what? Objective text. So I am only going to open two brackets out, have k, the first factor minus 8. The second factor is going to be what? 9. These are the two factors I have. But before I got the factors, I use 8 to multiply. Right? So I'm going to divide by the 8. So here I will divide by 8, divide by what? 8. Now 8 can divide 8. So k minus 1 in this bracket. 8 cannot divide 9. So you shift it to come and multiply. So 8k minus what? 9. So this becomes the answer you are going to get if you factorize this. So in the options, let's check which of the options will give us the actual answer. Both are being negative, so I'll go for option D as my preferred choice. I guess you also have the same before getting to this point. Alright, thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and come back for question 13.